Ever crack your neck? Did you know it could actually be deadly? Most of the time, cracking your neck is harmless, but in rare cases, it can lead to serious complications. Forcefully twisting your neck could tear a key artery. This tear can create a blood clot, which could travel to your brain and cause a stroke. There have been cases where people suffered strokes after cracking their neck too hard. Even young, healthy people aren't immune to this risk. So, next time you feel like cracking your neck, be gentle. Or better yet, leave it to a professional.